Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, charge the buds and pair them by Bluetooth to your phone, then open the Realme Link app. Once paired, make sure the app shows the TechLife Earbuds T100 on the device list. If you don't see them, repair in Bluetooth settings and reopen Realme Link. While in the app, keep the earbuds in your ears so the app can read status and firmware details. This gets you directly to the only available control path for game mode. Once done, tap the TechLife Earbuds T100 card and go into the device settings, look for sound or advanced options. You will find a labeled toggle, game mode or low latency. Flip it on. The app may warn about higher battery use. Accept and let the app send settings to the earbuds. Wait for confirmation in app. Sometimes the earbuds will briefly disconnect and reconnect as the setting applies. This in-app toggle is the only way to force the low latency profile. After enabling, test latency with a fast-action game or a lip-sync video. You should notice tighter audio alignment. If you don't, make sure the earbuds firmware and Realme Link are fully updated, then reapply the toggle. If the game mode option is missing, uninstall and reinstall Realme Link, repair the T100, and check firmware again. One key troubleshooting tip: if toggling fails, reboot your phone and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.